Great bartenders highly esteem being educated about mixed drink plans and capable in the craft of appropriately serving their visitors and supporters. With a sound collection of famous blended beverage plans and the correct fixings available to you, you can be the existence of any social affair. Exemplary cocktail recipes that are great for all occasions. The mixed drink plans recorded here are works of art for an explanation. They taste great. Regardless of whether you're an expert bartender or just somebody who likes to toss mixed drink parties at home, you should realize how to make these blended beverages plans like you realize how to make toast. Bacardi Cocktail. Bacardi mixed drink is the lone mixed drink given a copyright from the United States government. 2 ounces. Bacardi Light Rum 1 ounce. Roses Lime Juice half a teaspoon. Sugar half an ounce. Rose Grenadine. Blend in a shaker with ice and strain into a chilled martini glass. Liquor Alexander. A sweet and velvety joy. A top pick to all until Bailey's came around. 1-half an ounce. Liquor or cognac half an ounce. Dim creme de cacao. 1 ounce. Sweet cream or ice cream. Shake all fixings with ice. Strain into a margarita glass. Well, drink this mixed drink is likely the most renowned of the Hair of the Dog, Morning After creations. 1-1/4 of an ounce. Vodka 2-half an ounce. Tomato juice. Run Worcestershire sauce. Run Tabasco sauce. Run salt and pepper. Pour vodka over ice in a tall glass. Load up with tomato juice. Add a scramble or 2 of Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco sauce. Mix and topping with a celery stalk. For the individuals who make the most of their Bloody Marys incredibly fiery, add more Tabasco or even horseradish. Cosmopolitan. The most famous beverage of the new 1,000 years. 2 ounces. Vodka half an ounce. Cointreau juice of 1/2 lime half an ounce. Cranberry juice. Shake with ice and strain into a chilled martini glass. Manhattan. On the off chance that you make this mixed drink accurately, you'll never hear your visitors utter this exemplary line from The Simpsons. How did I deal with merit this level? Flavorless Manhattan. 2 ounces. American or Canadian whiskey. Sprinkle sweet or dry vermouth. Run Angostura bitters. Mix fixings in a stone's glass. Enhancement with a cherry. Margarita. An extraordinary beverage for a blistering summer day. 1 ounce. Tequila 1 ounce. Cointreau or triple sec 1 ounce. Sweet and sour. Mix or lime juice. Shake fixings with ice or mix fixings with squashed ice. Serve in a salt-rimmed glass. Embellishment with a lime wheel. Martini. A basic and exquisite work of art. 2 ounces. Gin. Run extra dry vermouth. Shake or mix gin and vermouth with ice. Strain and serve in a mixed drink glass straight up or over ice. Embellishment with a contort or an olive. Tequila Sunrise. You will have a warm summer gleam after this one. 2 ounces. Patron Tequila 3 ounces. Squeezed orange 1/4 of an ounce. Grenadine. Empty grenadine into a tall glass first. Then, at that point add tequila and load up with ice and orange juice. Enhancement with an orange slice. White Russian. In case you're stressed over calories, you can utilize entire milk or creamer as opposed to cream, however cream tastes better. Skim and 2% milk produce unacceptable outcomes. The dude in The Big Lebowski agreed to non-dairy half and half powder in one scene. That alternative is for crises as it were. 1-half an ounce. Vodka half an ounce. Kahlua half an ounce. Cream. Shake fixings and serve over ice in a stone's glass. A basic bar setup for a limited budget. Setting up a home bar can turn out to be very exorbitant. The assortment of alcohols accessible today is astounding. How would you pare down your shopping rundown to the fundamentals? A few barkeeps may laugh at the possibility of not having both American and Canadian whiskeys in a bar. What's more, do you truly require both dry and sweet vermouth? The choices can be overpowering. For basic engaging, regardless of whether you're on a restricted spending plan, start with the accompanying things. 1 750 ml container of gin. 1 750 ml jug of bourbon, Canadian, etc. 1 750 milliliters container of rum, 1 750 milliliters jug of white homegrown wine, 1 750 milliliters container of tequila, 1 750 milliliters jug of red homegrown wine, 1 750 milliliters container of vodka, 12 Oz. Jugs of lager, homegrown or imported, 3 750 milliliters containers of your preferred mixers and cordials, for example, Irish cream, espresso alcohol, Grand Marnier, triple sec, Cointreau, Sambuca, white or green creme de menthe, Galliano, B&B, Frangelico, Amaretto, peach schnapps, etc. Important supplies for your bar bartending, even at home, requires heaps of provisions, blenders, and trimmings. Notwithstanding brew, wine, mixers, and alcohols, a respectable home bar ought to have the accompanying supplies in the event that you plan on serving mixed drinks. You need 1 jug of the accompanying blenders for each 5 visitors. Cola or Diet Cola, lime juice, cranberry juice, orange juice, ginger ale, pineapple juice, grapefruit juice, seltzer water or Club Pop, lemon juice or lemon mix, tomato juice, lemon lime soda, tonic water. You likewise need these organic products, toppings, and flavors. Lemon twists, Angostura sharp flavoring, lime and lemon wedges, salt and pepper, maraschino cherries, superfine sugar, olives, Tabasco sauce, orange slices, Worcestershire sauce. If you like this video, please press the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.